Hey, so in this video we're going to look at how to write a great headline for your written articles. So first of all, any headline should be written in present tense. So here you see massive wildfire spawns fire tornadoes in Northern California. Here, Browns owners support Mayfield choice to kneel during anthem. And volleyball seniors prepare to close their seasons careers. So always use present tense. Next thing is to always use the active voice. So active voice means the subject of the headline or the subject of the statement is the one doing the action. So Browns owners support Mayfield choice. Volleyball seniors prepare. So the subject is followed by the verb. It's not a flip like season about to be closed by volleyball seniors, or season prepared to be closed by volleyball seniors. The subject should do the action. Next, in terms of punctuation, in order to try to shorten the headlines or create more brevity, try to use commas instead of the word and. You can introduce what someone said with a colon rather than Schumer said McConnell must bring Senate back early. Just say Schumer. Here, you see some punctuation, the single quotes around something that is quoted. And then other punctuation marks are used just to kind of shorten or replace words rather than using words that don't necessarily need to be there. Other things you'll see, the numbers. Should always use numerals, rather than the word for the number, again, because that'll always typically create a shorter headline. So use numerals. It's fine to use what someone says in a headline, but introduce it like that, just last name, colon, and then their statement. And it can be a direct quote or a paraphrase like this one is. Next, with opinion headlines, make sure the opinion is in the headline. So it should be clear to the reader what the opinion of the piece or the of the writer or writers is right from the start. Like there shouldn't be any confusion about what the actual opinion is that we're about to read, except in the case of a question headline like this, where it's asking a question to kind of tease what the answer might be. And if you're going to ask a question, obviously make sure you're going to provide the answer, which this does after a list, which kind of builds up to it, and that's a fun type of story that you can certainly do.